Monkey print. I saw that monkey print and I almost went bananas. This is part of the hiccup conversation. A snag in the process. A monkey print is a problem. Just like this messed up bed. Sheets and stuff all over the place. A monkey print is a problem. It's not a drawing that a kindergartner does. A monkey print is enough to drive the mind crazy, wondering, fantasizing about what could be. It's a hiccup. It's a serious threat to a relationship. Monkey print. Only a few people have them. Just the thought of a monkey flying through the trees. And if you notice, a monkey never breaks a branch or falls off. If you was hanging in the jungle somewhere beneath monkeys swinging, don't worry about them landing on your head because they never will. They'll just keep swinging across. And you probably won't even see a print. A monkey print is a problem. It's almost like being in the desert and a camel's footprint is on the ground. You ever seen the detail? Now imagine if that sand, which was pushed down, if we was looking at the footprint from the other side, not the push down side, but the bulging, the side that's protruding, the monkey print. It make you want to go ape shit. Clothing designers should be taken out into the forum and shot dead. Creating anything that can cause a monkey print is detrimental to a man's health. It's not healthy to see a monkey print. You don't even need bifocals to see a monkey print. You can see a monkey print from across the street downtown. Like I know that's not a monkey print. I know that's not. It's a hiccup in the conversation. So let me close this up by saying, please, no more monkey prints. I love y'all.